This puzzle can be solved using two different methods. The first one I'll quickly explain is the standard method which most people use. In that, what we do is the first average 70 kg is used multiplied by the 10 persons in the boat to find the total weight originally in the boat. Okay, so it is 700 kg, the original total weight in the boat of all the 10 persons. So after replacement, what the average drops to 62 kg, right? So the total weight after replacement of the two persons will be 620 kg in the boat of all the 10 persons in the boat after replacement. So to find the total weight of the two heavier persons that were removed from the boat, okay, so what we need to do is we need to find the difference between this 700 kg and the weight of the remaining 8 persons in the boat which are fixed in both the situations. Okay, so the weight of the 8 persons in the boat which are fixed in both the situations will be subtracting the weight of the two new persons, that is 45 kg and 55 kg. These two figures will be subtracted from the new total. Okay, so from 620 kg, if we subtract 45 and 55, we get 520 kg. This is the weight of the 8 persons that are present in both the situations. So the difference between this 520 kg and 700 kg will give us the total weight of the two heavier persons which were removed. So that comes to 180 kg. This is the total weight of the two heavier persons that were replaced. So the average weight will come to 90 kg, which is half of 180 kg. Okay, so this is a standard method. Now let's look at the faster and logical method. I'll just try to explain it to you. What we need to do is to find reduction in total weight. That is equal to difference between the old average minus the new average. Okay, the difference between these two average figures multiplied by 10, which comes to 8 multiplied by 10, which is 80 kg, right? So this is the reduction in total weight after replacement of the two heavier persons with two lighter persons. Now this 80 kg drop is because these two lighter persons are certainly lighter than the two heavier persons. Okay, so this 80 kg will be the extra weight over the total of these two lighter people. So total weight of the heavier persons of the two heavier persons is equal to the total of these two lighter people plus this 80 kg. So the total of 45 and 55 is 100 kg plus this 80 kg, which is a reduction in the total weight due to the replacement. So it comes to 180 kg, and therefore their average weight will come to 90 kg. So this is required answer in much lesser number of steps with much lesser calculations required as well. Okay.